In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Cash App you reached the request limit. So this typically occurs when you've exceeded the number of money requests or transactions allowed within a specific time frame. This could happen for various reasons, including account restrictions, unverified status, or high request frequency. So number one, if you want to go ahead and prevent this from happening in the future, number one, you want to go ahead and verify your accounts, because unverified accounts are limited to sending and receiving only $1,000 within a 30-day period. And whenever you do exceed that amount, then it's actually going to go ahead and trigger that error. So yeah, over here in the Cash App application, it should automatically give you a notification telling you that you need to actually verify your account. So please guys, verify your account, and whenever you do verify your identity, it is going to raise your sending limit to $7,500 per week and removes receiving limits for personal accounts. And by the way guys, if you are trying to verify your account, then you will need your full name, your date of birth, a social security number, and a government issued ID like a passport or a driver's license or something like that, and you basically need to verify your account through there. And by the way, if you are under the age of 18, then you will require parental consent to increase the limits. So please just keep that in mind. Another thing that you guys could do is just wait for the limit to reset. Limits are often rolling based on a 7-day or 30-day period, or rest at a specific time. So basically what you need to do is just wait it out a little bit until the next cycle actually does begin, and then from there you actually are able to go ahead and send and receive money like you normally would. Another reason why this could be happening is your account may have a restriction. So check if your Cash App account has any restrictions or anything like that, and they will tell you via the notification menu. So yeah, if you do see like a notification saying that your account is like restricted or something like that, then that could actually be causing the issue. But one other thing that you guys can actually go ahead and do is check that the linked bank account is actually valid and correct, because sometimes that could be like an error, or if you're trying to like send money or something like that and you don't have sufficient funds, then that could actually cause the error. So to do that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and tap on your profile picture. Then you want to go ahead and select on linked banks. And from here, you want to go ahead and either link the debit card or a bank account. And you just want to make sure that whatever you do link is actually correct and that it is actually valid. And guys, if you're still running into any issues, then what I recommend that you guys do is actually contact the Cash App support number right over here. So the number is 800-969 and then 1940. So go ahead and contact them, explain to them your situation, and then they should be able to help you out. And again, whenever you are talking to like Cash App support in general, you want to remain patient and professional. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.